Yeah, so there are two groups of people, those who fear injection and those who do not. Let me know the group that you belong to in the comment section below. I'll be with you guys shortly. Yeah, so earlier last month, Ghana received the first batch of the COVID-19 vaccine. And earlier this month, that's some few days ago, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, received the COVID-19 vaccine jab and has actually urged Ghanaians to take the vaccine. Yeah, so a couple of Ghanaians, or let me say a lot of Ghanaians are taking the vaccine. And our own celebrities like Anama Brown, Nana Banamwa, Yvonne Nelson and more have joined, the queue, have gone for their COVID-19 vaccine jab. Yeah, so a video has gone viral on social media. As already know, on this show, that's the trends on social media show. Once something has gone viral, we're then going to talk about it or discuss it on this particular show. Yeah, so in the video, you could see a health professional, let me say a health practitioner, who actually a nurse, okay, was taking the COVID-19 vaccine jab, and to the amazement of people around, this lady was screaming as if Charlie she has never received an injection before. And this particular video has gone viral on social media and has actually got a lot of people talking that, hey, if a health practitioner, okay, is even taking the injection, or let me say the vaccine, the person is shouting like this, how much more the mere Ghanaian? How are we going to take this particular vaccine and all? And guys, as I said, once it's training, I'm going to talk about it. Guys, watch the video and don't forget to also drop your comments in the comment section below. Yeah, so you've seen the video, and knowing the group that you belong to, are you going to take the vaccine, or let me hear your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below, and let's get interactive in there. Yeah, so all too soon, we've come to the end of the Trends on Social Media show right here on that TV. If you are new to this channel, thank you for joining us, and also don't forget to also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.